fake this sucker to the Audi dealer. It's all dirty as fuck. Didn't even bother to clean it. I'm not gonna bother to clean it. We are about to take off. Wife's gonna follow me. And we're gonna drive this bitch to the dealer. Let's get it. Hey, what's up you guys? It's your boy KriptoVlogs here, and we are back with another video. This video, we are taking the S4 to the Audi dealer. Hope you guys have enjoyed the previous videos that I have posted. If you guys have, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Unsubscribing is free. Subscribing is free. You guys pay $0 to subscribe, but it pumps me up to have more subscribers so I can get more content out for you guys. So without further ado, I don't know what time it is. Let's get to it. It is really crazy how on the highway, I'm going 81 right now, the car feels normal, it feels cool. But as soon as I slow down or as soon as I stop, you guys hear that noise that I posted on the previous video. I'll see if I get a little clip and slap it somewhere in here. But if not, I'm still baffled. That's the reason why I'm taking it down to Audi. I do have a pretty good, I mean, it has good reviews, so I'm guessing it's a good Euro shop down here in Victorville where I currently live. But I wanted to take it to the people that know the car, you know. So I'm taking it down to Audi Ontario, and yeah, we'll see what happens. Stick around. Alright, so we're here. I'm not sure if we're in the right spot, but we're gonna wait and see what happens. Check this out. Just dropped out Bay to where it belongs, but check this out. Ooh, so much sauce. Shit. This thing is fucking beautiful, and I could be wrong, but this dude's might have a fucking R6 wagon sitting somewhere in here. When I come back for Bay, oh, there's a pink R8 in there. Yo, there's a fucking pink R8 in there. When I come back for Bay, I think I'm gonna see if I could go inside and check it out. Yo, look, check it out, guys. That's a friggin' pink R8. I'll go in there after. Oh, there is an R6 chilling right there. Oh, we'll have to come back and check it out when we come back for the whip. As of now, just dropped off the whip, like I said, and hopefully it's nothing serious. Get it washed by Audi too, and yeah, we'll be back for it. Stick around. Peace. Alright, so still waiting on the call from the dealer. See what's up with the S. For now, about to run up the whip quick. I think I might go down as bringing one of the dirtiest motherfucking b8.5 S4s to an Audi dealer. Let's see what they say when I get there. What's up you guys? So the S4 is currently at the dealer. I'm waiting for the call to see what they tell me about what's either going wrong with it or what has gone wrong with it or what's the deal with it. And as crazy as this may sound, when I did actually get to the freaking dealer, the car wasn't doing no noise at all. But I did record a video, so I did send the video over to the specialist that was helping me out. So we'll see what happens. Right now I'm chilling inside the B5. I'm gonna go for a little drive. It is Saturday for those that follow football or soccer. It's the Clásico, Real Madrid versus Barcelona, so we're about to get it. Peace.